Your home will be free from moisture. You'll never see mold on your walls again. Start by taking 2 or 3 lemons. Roll the lemons back and forth with the palm of your hand. This will help you extract more juice from the lemons. Lemon juice has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Next, cut the lemon in half and squeeze out the juice. Add 1 small teaspoon of granulated garlic to the juice. Thanks to the allicin in garlic, it inhibits the growth of mold and fungi. Mix everything well. If you have dark-colored walls, you can add a few ground cloves to the mixture. Slowly strain the mixture into another container using a wet cloth or gauze. Take a plastic bottle with a dispenser. Pour the liquid into the bottle and close it tightly. Use this homemade solution in areas prone to mold and fungi. This remedy will help you solve the problem once and for all. These 2 products will save your home. A simple solution without expensive chemicals. Start by preparing a small bowl and filling it with baking soda. It's a powerful deodorizer and moisture absorber, helping to fight stubborn mold thanks to its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Next, take a few cloves and mix them into the soda. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural antifungal and antibacterial compound. They also add a pleasant, spicy scent that freshens the air and repels insects. This homemade mix is a natural way to combat moisture and mold. The baking soda absorbs excess humidity, while the cloves enhance its effect. Place the bowl near a window where condensation often builds up. Too much moisture on windows can lead to mold growth, especially in colder months. This simple trick works as a natural dehumidifier, reducing fogged-up windows and damp spots. Put the bowl in the bathroom, near the shower, or in a closet where moisture can cause musty odors and even mold on clothes. This easy and inexpensive method keeps your home fresh and dry. The ventilation grill will work like new. Just one thing is enough to clean it without removing it. The amount of moisture in the bathroom and throughout the house depends on the operation of the ventilator. Few people check if it works properly, but all it takes is a piece of paper. If you put it against the grill, it should stick. If the ventilation properly extracts air, it will hold the paper or piece of paper without any problems. But what if the ventilation isn't working properly? Check if the grill itself needs cleaning. If there is a lot of dirt and dust on it, it may restrict its operation. Some grills can be removed. Before you do that, prepare some baking soda. Dilute it with water. Take the grill and a toothbrush. Clean the grill above the sink. Rinse it off and reinstall it. You can also clean the grill without removing it. All you need is a cloth and a knife. Dampen the cloth with dishwashing liquid. Wrap it around the knife. This way, you can clean the slots in the ventilation grill without removing it. Some grills can accumulate a lot of dirt. After such a treatment, the ventilation should work much better.